my name is Charles Rose. I'm 17 years old and I'm the founder of Action Asphalt Maintenance. Action Asphalt Maintenance is an asphalt maintenance contractor located in central Wisconsin that specializes in seal coating, crack repair, pavement markings, and asphalt patching. Starting out, I purchased a hobby-sized seal coat unit towards the end of the summer when I was 15. After seal coating a few driveways on my own, I made the decision to go for it and start Action Asphalt Maintenance LLC. That winter, I got my parents on board for funding new equipment that would allow me to expand Action Asphalt Maintenance from a hobby to a professional asphalt maintenance contractor. I was able to attend the National Pavement Expo in Nashville, which allowed me to get tons of information on pavement maintenance in general. After attending the National Pavement Expo, I purchased a SealRite 550 trailer unit with a 2-inch diaphragm pump that can nearly handle any type of asphalt sealer that I need to use. Also, I purchased a line striping machine with auto layout so I can paint lines on the asphalt. Having the auto layout feature allows me to grow to handle larger size parking lots layouts that might come up in the near future. Giving back and supporting local events throughout the community is definitely another important factor into what drives me to succeed. Action Asphalt Maintenance has sponsored different things such as the Page Boots Memorial Golf Tournament, Granite Peak Ski Team Casino Night, the Granite Peak Ski Bibs, the Wassa EGL Yearbook, and repainting the center stripe at our local racetrack. Over the summer, I was able to hire 2 part-time workers to help with commercial projects, allowing me to take on bigger projects. Being successful is one thing, but being able to see my personal skills grow and helping others in the community is what makes me keep pushing to bigger and better things.